In this unit, we will talk about one of the most interesting class of phylum Echinodermata, which is Asteroidea. Now, Asteroidea is not only one of the largest class of Echinodermata, but it is also one of the most familiar class within the phylum. Now, these animals which are present in this class, they are commonly known as stars or starfishes, and they form a diverse group in diverse habitats. When we talk about the number of species, more than 1800 species of this class, they exist in all oceans of the world. They are present in the basins of those oceans. We name it. It could be Atlantic Ocean or Indian Ocean or Pacific Oceans. They are present everywhere. Even they are present in the coldest of the waters of Arctic and Southern Oceans. They are also present there. Now, when we talk about the size of their body, they can be as small as 2 centimeter, and they could be as large as 1 meter in diameter. But most of the individual of this species, they range from 12 to 24 centimeter of body size. Now, they have very unique reproduction system present in them. They have a strong ability of regeneration, which means that even when cut any of the arm of the individual of this class, it has the ability to regenerate that arm. Or even if we cut them in half or in 2 or 3 portions, if they have an arm and some part of their radius, the circular part, they have the ability to regenerate into an adult with the 5 arms present in their body. So they have a very strong regeneration system. This is also called as a kind of asexual reproduction. When we talk about the sexual reproduction, the member of this class, they are mainly gonochoristics, which means that they are separate sexes just like humans. But some of the individuals, they are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite means that each individual, a single individual, have both male and female reproductive parts. Now, asteroids, they normally has 2 gonads in each of the arms. As you can see here, when we talk about the gonads, they have a pair of gonads in each arm, and these gonopores opening to the oral surface, and it helps. These gonopores are usually present at the base of each arm, and these release that eggs into the water, and the sperms are also released in the water, and they combine to form zygote out of the body into the waters. Now, when we talk about their body, they are pentaradial body plans, and most of their species, they are mobile. They move with the help of special locomotory organs, which contains tube feet. Those tube feet, they help them in moving from one place to the other place. They could also move through the current tides when they are moving. When the tides move from one place to the other into the ocean, they can also move through that. But they also have these tube feet present on the one side of their arms, and it helps them to move from one place to the other place. This movement is normally not very fast.